the Princess of Wales attends the Garter Day ceremony. Kate, Princess of Wales, and Sophie, Duchess of Edinburgh, had to wrestle with windy conditions this afternoon, as the weather threatened to uplift their hats. The royal duo wore stunning dresses too, the annual order of the Garter service at Windsor Castle, but were forced to hold on to their hats to avoid the wind from blowing them away. Other royal women were also spotted placing a firm grasp on their hats as gusty winds sped through the grounds of the historic castle. Kate is wearing her polka dot Alessandra Rich dress for the second time this afternoon. She accessorized with a matching black and white polka dot fastenet, or by Philip Tracy, and white pumps with a black toe. Meanwhile, Sophie chose a beautiful, summery Amelia Wickstead dress from the designer's current collection. She carried with her a bright pink pashmina, which she would presumably use as a shawl if she got cold, and a cream handbag to match cream heels. Sophie paired the floral dress with a beautiful pink fascinator hat. Not long after Kate and Sophie arrived, King Charles and Queen Camilla led the royal procession ahead of the Order of the Garter service. They were closely followed by other members of the royal family, who are part of the order, including Prince William, Prince Edward, and Princess Anne. All knights were wearing the grand velvet robes, glistening insignia, and plumed hats for the hallowed ceremony. Kate and Sophie did not join the procession or wear the ceremonial gowns because they have not been appointed to the Order of the Garter. However, they appeared in high spirits as they watched from the sidelines, with several pictures capturing them deep in conversation, laughing and smiling at one another. The Order of the Garter is the oldest and most senior order of chivalry in Britain, and it was first established by King Edward III in 1348, almost 700 years ago. There are 24 spaces for knights and ladies companion in the order, and on Garter Day new appointments are formally invested in the Garter throne room by the monarch. Appointees are made in recognition of their dedication to public service, but there are also royal members both in the UK and abroad that are part of the order on an honorary basis. The king, as sovereign of the Garter, makes the appointments to the order personally.
I missed it again.